Welcome to channel Attitude Excellency. Thank you for supporting the channel. When we talk about time, most of us think that doing more in less time is all about productivity and efficiency. However, such addiction to productivity only keeps us busy all the time because productivity without performance and efficiency without effectiveness leads us nowhere. If you find yourself busy all the time with many urgent tasks to attend to, it only indicates that you are simply managing your time rather than utilizing it. So in this video, let's discuss about how to make time more purposeful and profitable. We'll also discuss about those related tweaks that we can implement to achieve purpose, meaning and value out of time. If you see, importance and effectiveness of time is mainly dependent on its utilization and not in managing the time. For example, whether you work or play or party, utilization of time in these tasks can make you successful only when these activities are important for your goals and objectives. In other words, doing right things at the right time brings success. Doing right thing means choosing right activities to do to achieve purpose and value. Because just doing things rightly with wrong choice of activities drains our energy. For instance, if you feel that you are having less time or no time at your disposal, and at the same time, if you find yourself occupied with many compelling tasks all the time, it indicates that you are also caught up in the web of doing wrong choice of unimportant activities all the time. So, what's the cause for such kind of busy schedules with so many urgent tasks to attend to? Usually, our habit of doing all important tasks at the last moment is the main root cause for this. Most of the time, it is the postponed and unattended important task accumulates as compelling and urgent tasks later on and keeps us preoccupied. In the sense, when jobs get accumulated as urgent, then only we start attending them. This makes us busy. However, such busy works drives us to only manage time. Just managing time never helps us in achieving value or purpose. If so, why do we postpone tasks? One reason for postponing is due to lack of motivation or lack of any kind of urgencies like deadlines. Another reason is not knowing which one is the right task or important task and which one is not. Then, how do we identify right or wrong task or important or unimportant task? Important tasks are always related to our present and future goals, and it is mostly related to our survival, values, and virtues. In case if you don't have any goals or objectives till now, it is better you set up some long term and short term goals from now onwards by following these suggestions, whichever I am giving now. Since all of us have the very basic present and future survival needs, goals can be built around our present and future desires like health, wealth, happiness, knowledge, and relationship. And so, most important tasks or right tasks of us should help us achieve such long term goals and should be related to such objectives. However, unimportant tasks are those mostly related to others' needs or other forms of distraction. These activities include the necessity to answer others' calls or attending social media messages or mails or other such kind of activities. We give more attention to others and their tasks due to our nature of seeking validation from others, or sometimes it may be due to pressure from them too. However, once these unimportant low priority jobs are identified, they need to be pushed back or delayed to a later time. These tasks should not be allowed to occupy our prime performance time. If possible, these tasks can also be cut short or minimized. Other unimportant tasks that occupies our time takes the form of entertainment or distractions or the most enjoyable things to do. These activities are similar to browsing the internet aimlessly for long hours or playing video games or puzzles or such kind of activities. These kind of activities should be eliminated or otherwise should be scheduled to a later time as a reward for our accomplishments. Along with this prioritizing, we need to keep creating, developing, and updating our long term and short term goals. This will help us to have some regular supply of important tasks to attend to. Then, how to implement them? For that, these important tasks need to be scheduled into a small, simple, achievable, right task to execute. Once right tasks are chosen and assigned, then we can focus on productivity. We can achieve productivity by either increasing the focus or increasing our efficiency while doing a particular job. With these methods of productivity only, many are capable of achieving 8 hours of knowledge out of 2 hours of studying itself, and some others are capable of deriving a month's value out of a week itself. But still, some are struggling to achieve a week's value out of a month. So, if this is the case, then how far productivity can help us? Though productivity can help us to an extent, we should avoid getting tied to it for its profitability factor, because such addiction will keep us tied at one place rather than help us move forward in life. That's the reason we must keep creating and updating our goals on a regular basis. By that way, we must also make sure that steady supply of important tasks is there for us to accomplish. So, when we start doing the next immediate important task right away every time, it helps us to build the momentum for our future success and accomplishments. This way of proper utilization of time helps us to keep our life prosperous and free. Hence, switch from simply managing time to start utilizing your time to make your time more purposeful and profitable. If you have any thoughts on utilization of time, please share it in the comment box. If you like this video, please like and share it. Also, please subscribe to the channel and keep the friendship alive. Thank you for watching.